Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.